Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10 II and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the common settings here. And at the third position here we have the grid lines. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. And for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to show you how it looks like. As you can see, it generates us these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. These are only help lines to help us taking better pictures. So let me take a photo. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is the picture I've taken, and as you can see the grid lines are not visible here. So let's go back to the camera. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to this button in the right corner and tapping on this button here in the common settings with the grid lines. So as you can see, for now it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.